So it took a bit to unstick it. It was sealed all around there. Just had to take a nail and remove some of the brim that was left over. But as you can see, once I got that brim off of there, it spins quite freely. Shows how good of a tolerance that the Printrbot is capable of. So that is 0.6 of a millimeter in between each one of those circles. Turned out well. Pretty happy with it. I have a bit of I'm not sure if you can see it there, but Z-axis movement. Not sure what's causing that yet. But fun little toy.